My 3 top tips for dealing with change successfully is be motivated by what you're seeking to achieve, not motivated by what you're seeking to avoid. It's really important for us to be motivated by what we see as the rewards of winning, not what we don't want to happen. Secondly, I would always say to understand your strengths. Understanding strengths is a key attribute. Many people who perform successfully in business and sport have excellent levels of self-awareness. They know when they've had a good game in sport and they know when they've had a bad game. Super performers are really good at understanding their talent and how they've applied it. And my 3rd top tip is caricature whatever it is you wish to change. We sometimes want to be more confident, more courageous, more innovative, and we try it a little bit, we play around with it. I think it's much more important to imagine that we can do so much more with that particular discipline, character, or personality that we are trying to put into place, and try and keep it front of mind so you can use it on the telephone, in meetings, as much as you possibly can, because success is a habit. And habits are replicated behaviour. We have to keep doing them for them to be internalized and for them to become part of us.